Morning class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the question answers of chapter number 4, How Animals Eat. And the exercise number 3 is answer this question. And first question is, what is meant by herbivorous? Herbivorous are the animals that eat plants. Cow, giraffe are the examples of herbivorous animals. The second question is, what is meant by carnivorous? Carnivorous are the animals that eat flesh of other animals, and its example is tiger. You can see in the picture, tiger eat the flesh of deer. And the third question is, what is meant by omnivorous? Omnivorous are the animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals, and its example is bear and crow. And the human beings are also included in the group of omnivorous. Question number 4 is, give two simple food chains. Look in the first food chain, tiger eat deer and deer eat plant. Look in the next food chain, eagle eat mouse and the mouse eat grains of, and these grains are obtained from plants. Fifth question is, how do snakes get their food? Look in this picture, snakes do not chew their food, they swallow it as a whole. You can see in the picture a snake swallowing a whole egg. Question number 6 is, how do cows eat their food? Cows have very interesting way of eating. At first, they swallow their food without chewing. They bring it back into their mouth and chew it properly. Seventh question is, how does a frog catch its prey? Look in this picture, a frog has a long sticky tongue. This one is its tongue. And it shoots it out to catch small insects. Question number 8 is, what does an elephant use its trunk for? Look in this picture, the elephant has a long trunk. It uses it to break leaves and take them into its mouth. It also uses its trunk to suck water and put it into the mouth.